Yo! Welcome back to Morphic-Realms. I'm Mike. This is the wagon wheel. We're on the Honda. It's been a minute. She's fixed. She's all done. And she's due for an oil change. So today that's what we're doing. Before we go for any more rides that'll be coming, we will do that. I've just taken her for a little burn down the fruit and grocery store to get some veggies and whatnot. And I'm gonna chuck some new oil in. Do that. One of these. Let's get to it. Now, if you haven't tuned in before, hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment. I appreciate it. To all the people that have shown me some love and support thus far, fucking legends. Let's continue on. Gonna improvise today, make a little oil. Oil catcher. Let's just go with that. Now, I did see some Asian dude doing this, and it blew my mind. Let's not cut my finger off. Sorry, I'm trying to rush this. It blew my mind when he did this. As you see, you have the perfect pouring spout once you're ready to tip it out. And the numpty just tipped it out of the corner. It's pretty retarded, I thought. Anyway, we won't be doing that. It's already filthy because I had used oil stored in it before. But that's alright, it fits underneath, so that's the main thing. Oh, smash me head. Looks like we need a 17 for the sump plug. That's the one of the 16 mil. Who gets the crack in that? So, anyway. So you can see what I'm doing. So basically, just put the sump plug here, oil filter here, chop the whole rag up here so I don't get oil dripping on my body. Heat wrap headers, because that will be there forever, burning and smoking like a fucking shoe smoker. There we go. That's cracked. It's still hot. I've taken this for a bit of a run already. Make sure she's all hot and flowing. Shout out to all the other CB400SF-REVO owners. I'm burning my finger, but she's ready to go. Feel it. Ready and course. That oil looks pretty good actually. You see that? So if you're wondering where I've been, I've had a few things going on. I haven't ridden since the fuel pump died basically. That's all fixed now. I just confirmed it on that little ride. I've just had a few injuries, unwarranted. Don't know where they came from, but it's in a bit of pain for the last couple of weeks. And I'm dealing with my mum. She's got multiple myeloma, which is blood cancer, which is no doubt fueled by a couple of these not experimental, free voluntary suicide darts So no one wanted to believe, and if you still believe in it, you're an idiot. Like, how more obvious can it get? Anyway, the fact of the matter is, there's some big shit going down in this realm. Try not to buy into it. Don't fall for the psyops. The whole virus is gonna get you lie. It's not true, mate. It's not true. When you really look into it, you'll realise that it's the biggest scam in modern history. Other than the hollow hoax. That's another scam, but we'll save that discussion for another day. Anyway, I was going to rip this filter off. So I can get this tight. So if you write a CB400, throw a comment down. I'll start adding some code words soon, and maybe giving away a few spare parts, or maybe some of my merch. This ain't my merch. Shout out to Shed Life Boys, Macca and TJ. That's a pretty good channel. And probably won't be giving away like a 4-wheel drive or anything. Definitely not at that level. But it'd be nice. I'd love to be able to do stuff like that. Shout out to anyone who wants to sponsor me. And some other news that I might include is my little brother. He just bought a WR250. So I've got someone to go riding with when he's free. We're in beautiful 666 land. Got some exciting news. Our younger, bigger brother got himself a Yamadoo. Mate. Would have been good, but not quite ready in a few other aspects. And some more news is I just ordered a 17-litre safari tank for the DR. You know what that means? It means I'll be able to ride without worry and go a little further and go on some bigger adventures, which I've been looking forward to. Got a bit of a dicky, crooked, arthritic finger of it, and my whole hand. It's been through some wars, so sometimes it does play on me a bit riding the bike. Alright, filter's coming off. Dripping oil everywhere. Oil's going everywhere. Trouble. So much for the rag. Still ended up getting on the headers, but not as much as we could have ended up with, so that's alright. Anyway, let's get that out of there. Everything's fucking hot. Everything's fucking rough. It's being in the campfire. Oh, get out, cunt. There we go. What have we got here? Same filter. Just leave that there to catch the residuals. Oh. Can you hear that beast? It's a fucking Bombador, mate. I hear it every fucking day. So I've got a neighbour. I won't say his name, but if he sees this, you know who you are. And he has to make sure his car works every fucking day. It's kind of funny. I just laugh. He's only a young fella, but he's got 3 vehicles, and I can guarantee without fail, nearly every day he jumps in them, starts them, and revs them up. Which is, there you go. You hear that? That's what I'm talking about. Alright, back to it. We'll do the filter first. We'll do the filter. Does anyone else use the Penrite MCT4ST or MC4ST? Let me know. What do you think of it? Penrite, do you want to sponsor me? No. Oh, it's pre-lubed. Wow. Rad. Rev it up, son. Fucking hilarious. Dude makes me laugh. He makes me laugh. Sunplug. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Just snug it. Don't do FT on your sunplug, please. See if she fits. Oh. It's close to close enough. Drink. In you go. This is the first time I've changed the oil in this bike, by the way. Always good to do your own servicing, then you know what you've done. And you've only got yourself to blame. That's 3 litres. Just dump a touch more in. can I say so far? Well, still not running right after the fuel pump change and all the tidy ups. I mean, tidy ups ain't gonna fix it. Makes it look good. What do you think? So that's the final reveal. Hopefully you can hear me over the wind. It's pretty breezy. And the only other thing coming is a new little fake Yoshimura to get rid of the fake acro pipe, and maybe see if I like it. If it's good, who knows? But that's the only other plan for this. My suspicions are that it sort of wants to hit red line sometimes, but not all the time. So I'm thinking maybe spark plugs, or possibly the clutch is a bit funny. I don't know yet. I'm not a motorbike expert. I mostly work on cars. I mean, much of a muchness, but yeah, I'm not much experience with bikes. So if anyone knows why it was redline sometimes and other times it just wants to hold at like 10, 11 grand, please leave a comment and let me know what you think. That's really all I got to say. The handlebars feel pretty good. Nicer to turn with. Still get sore hands, but I've got pretty shitty hands anyway. I've had a hard life. No doubt this wind noise is just wrecking the video, but we'll try anyway. I don't like wireless microphones. I don't like wireless anything, to be honest. I think that stuff's not dangerous. Check again. Proven. Silent weapons for quiet wars. If you've not read that document, you'll know exactly where to start looking. And if you have read that document, well, we're probably on the same page of information. The bike, I reckon it looks pretty snazzy, and I don't know what edit's going to come out before this, or the DRZ off-road one I did with my little brother. We did that yesterday. It was an interesting track we chose. Would recommend it, but you'll see that in the other video. And I'll leave it there. Remember, you're an immortal being, creating this world that you see. Don't buy the psyops. Stay off the propaganda. Flick your fucking TV out the window. There is no savior but ourselves. Open your heart. Be real, be honest, be accountable. And treat this world the way you wish to be seen in it. It's a beautiful place. Don't trash it. Don't throw it away. Don't sink yourself into the metaverse. That's where they want you. Anyway, I'm out. Peace.
Whenever you feel like you're about to sink, I don't wanna just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I could become the one for another.